So guys, welcome back to Geek Guilds, and in this tutorial, we will be teaching you guys how to add two numbers. So let's get started. And before that, let me remind you that all the videos and all the codes we are writing in here will be available in the description below. So do check it. So let's get started with the code. And okay, my bad. We need to click in here. And let's get started with the code, and we will be writing the main, and then the curly braces on, and then we need to take some variables to store some values like a for the first number, b for the second number, and sum for doing the summation, right? So we will be initializing sum with 0 at first, and then we need to print something so that the user will get informed that okay, and now I need to input the number. Yes, so let's print out something. Let's say print out enter to numbers to add. Okay, now let's close this. Now we need to take the input. Okay, so the first number will be inputted in A and the second number will be inputted in B, right? Correct, done, right? Now all the numbers have been inputted already. Now let's add up A and B. So sum is equals to A plus B. Easy, right? Now we need to just print sum. So what is the print statement? C-O-U-T sum, right? Now we just need to write return 0 for ending the program, and yes, done. Let's see if the program works or not. So the program is asking enter two numbers to add, so let's input like 34, and the second number should be like 23. So yeah, 57, that is correct. It is absolutely correct. And so yes, this is how you write programs in C to add two numbers. And thank you for joining in, and from Geek Guides.